Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're a subscriber to this channel, then you already know that the bigger the aperture of a telescope, the sharper and clearer the image it gives. Recently, scientists captured an image of a black hole that is at the center of our galaxy. The name of the black hole is Sagittarius A star. The image was taken with an Event Horizon telescope. In this video, we will see how the Event Horizon telescope works. Objects like black holes are so far away that it's impossible to see them through a normal telescope. So a normal terrestrial telescope cannot convert the light coming from these objects into an image. The light coming from these objects is so weak, you need a really big aperture telescope to see those objects. When we say big aperture, that means the aperture size should be as big as the Earth. And building Earth-sized telescopes is just impossible. So the scientists came up with a new idea. The idea was to use multiple large telescopes located at different locations on the Earth. Each telescope collects the data of the celestial object, and when that data is combined and processed, you'll get the image same as an Earth-sized telescope would give. This is exactly how the Event Horizon telescope works. The Event Horizon telescope is a large global network of radio telescopes. The Event Horizon telescope is a very high-resolution telescope. It's composed of many radio telescope facilities around the world, working together to produce a high-resolution image of an object. This technique, where different radio telescopes separated by thousands of kilometers work together to make a bigger telescope, is called VLBI. VLBI stands for Very Long Baseline Interferometry. Apart from taking radio images of distant celestial bodies, this VLBI technique is also used for spacecraft tracking, perform studies of Earth's rotation, and to very precisely track the movement of tectonic plates. VLBI technique measures the time differences between the arrival of radio waves at each radio telescope. Let's say there are 4 telescopes in the VLBI array at different locations on the Earth. Now, all these radio telescopes will point towards the same object in the sky. These radio telescopes will collect the data and record the time of the receiving data in the physical hard drive. The radio telescopes are attached to atomic clocks, which are very precise in measuring time. Now, all the hard drives which have the data are sent to a central location. The data is processed there, and the computer looks for interference of different radio signals, and you get the image of the distant celestial object like the black hole. The more radio telescopes you add in the array, the clearer and the sharper the images get. This is how both images of black holes were taken so far. By using the same method, a telescope which is bigger than Earth could be built in the future. We hope you've liked this video and learned something new about the super awesome Event Horizon telescope. If you're new to astronomy and want to understand the basics of astronomy, then please check out this video playlist. We'll be adding more videos that will cover more basic concepts for beginners, so do subscribe to our channel.